Snapseed just got a new update, and most people are only using 10% of the new features. In this video, I shall show you 5 hidden tricks that can completely change your photo editing workflow. Make sure to watch till the end because the last feature, this is my favorite. And some of these features are so good that I never expected them inside Snapseed. Let's check it out. Open Snapseed app. After opening Snapseed app, you will see this interface. Now look, the interface has completely changed. Okay. Now let's go to our first feature, camera. Now Snapseed has its own camera. Let me show you. Just click on this camera option. You can just tap on the screen. So point out the subject. What is interesting is that you can get manual controls. You can adjust the ISO, shutter speed from here. Also, Snapseed has given some cinematic effects too. Just click on this arrow. Now you can see it has provided some good filters. For example, I'm selecting this one, and if you click the picture, tap here, it's automatically adds in your live photo library, so you can directly open this photo and edit inside. Okay, let me show you second feature, smart masking. Okay, open a photo, just click on add photo and select any one photo. Click on tools. You can see there are so many new tools has been introduced, separate categories too. Okay, feature 2, smart masking. This is the strongest feature. Okay, let me show you. For example, just select toon image tool. Okay, click on this plus symbol, mask. Now just tap on the subject you want to edit. Snapseed automatically detects the person. Okay, now watch what happens. You can see background remain untouched. It only edits what we select. Okay, this is the new update in toon image. And if I want to edit a background only, then just again click on the mask and just around the background, and you can see the red portion. Only that portion will get edited. Okay, so I will increase the brightness. You can see the difference. Okay, the masking tool feature has been updated in new Snapseed. Okay, now let me show you number 3, HSL color tool. Okay, click on color tool. For example, I'm selecting the red. Click on red. If I select red color, I can only edit red colors. You can see if I'm selecting the green color, it will only edit green color. Okay, so from here I can change hue like exactly like Lightroom. You can see the difference. If I want to change the saturation, just select the saturation, and you can just adjust the how much percentage opacity you want of that color, like this. Same for other colors too. You can see, and it's only changing the blue color. Most interesting, it has also offer mask tool for this tool also. Just number 4, dehaze. If your photo looks flat, watch this. And the difference, sky and the details, it looks cool. Okay. Number 5, portrait retouching tool. Okay, just select portrait. It's given an eye brightening, eyebrow definition, eye bag removal, iris clarity, face spotlight, lips, teeth. Like it's just completely packaged. Complete show you one by one. Skin smoothing. If I just drag like this, see the difference before and the after. Let's use the lips. See the difference. I was given some shades. You can adjust it from here.